Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to pair a Hunter fan remote, programming and syncing instructions. Method first, pair a Hunter fan remote. Turn off the fan using the wall switch or circuit breaker, then wait 10 seconds, then turn the fan on again. Within 3 minutes, open the battery cover on the remote, then release and press the pair button. Then wait for the fan to beep, the light is to blink or the fan to start. This means the remote is paired. Second one is pair any older Hunter remote. Turn off the fan for 10 seconds, then turn the fan on again. Within 3 minutes, press and hold the correct button combination for about 4 seconds. Then fan plus high or fan plus light. Fourth one is release the button when the fan light blink or the fan starts. The remote is now paired. Third method is pair a Hunter remote with DIP switches. Turn off the fan, then remove the batteries from the remote. Make sure the DIP switch setting in the remote and the fan receiver match. Put the batteries back in and turn the fan on. Within 30 seconds, press high, medium and low at the same time. Test the fan and light to make sure the remote is working. Thanks for watching.